Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction Omillionaire 8 9 22 1 to 10 2 4 8 and 10. Previous result 3 7 9 14 15 17 20. 3 matched 7 9 14 17. This number matched 11 to 20 12 13 17 18 and 19. 21 to 30 21 25 26 27 28 and 29. 31 to 40 31 34 36 38 39 and 40. Previous result 5 and number passed 1 to 10 2 number but 3 number come. This one no repeat previous result 41 42 44 no number. This draw one number repeat because last time no repeat. Chance 17. 7 and 17 this chart 7 and 17. 41 to 44 41 and 43. This is my prediction number. Repeat one number and another one chance 2 or 3 number from 21 to 30 and also chance skip 3 or 4 number. For example 21 another number 25 26 29 38 41 only example and also chance 42 44 chance. Here important number 12 17 27 34 39 41 43. This is important number, more chance to come this row. 4 and 36 new number, last time two new number came. 19 29 and 39 one number chance. $29 or $39 more chance. 11 to 20 number have 12 or 13 or 17 more chance. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.